Hey everyone, now let's talk about why we are using Ktor instead of other backend technologies. There are many backend frameworks out there like Node.js that is JavaScript based, Django that's Python based, Spring Boot that's Java based. These are all great, but each has its own learning curve. Since we are using Kotlin for our Android app, it makes sense to use a backend framework that is also in Kotlin. So why Ktor is the best choice? If you already know Kotlin, learning Ktor is super easy. You don't have to switch to JavaScript or Python. Ktor is much smaller and faster compared to bigger frameworks like Spring Boot. It's perfect for small projects like our quiz app. With Ktor, you can build simple APIs or even advanced web applications. It's very customizable and doesn't force you into a specific way of doing things. Since Kotlin is the main language for Android, using Ktor means we stay in the Kotlin ecosystem, making our workflow smoother and more efficient. See you in the next video.